Shout out Reggie, who says Uganda and 20 trillion in gold.
Cool.
Oh, okay.
Did you say cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Instagram will start nudging teens away from content they continuously browse through. It's meant to keep teens from dwelling on a particular topic. Ooh, you're ruminating too much. Ruminating. Don't do that, Mo. It's time to move on.
Why would that be a negative thing? I don't understand.
Let's say, for example, somebody keeps looking at some sort of topic that leads in a particular direction. Like the individual is a 13-year-old girl who keeps looking at anorexic content.
Okay.
And they go, oh, this is... Let's suggest something else. Because algorithms don't have feelings.
No. They just want to keep you there longer.
They don't have feelings, so they would reinforce and keep spitting more of that at you. Now, I don't even know what their stance is on that type of content. They probably try to remove it, but like sometimes algorithms are outpacing any type of moderation where you would just have too much of it to compete with, and all of a sudden you're getting fed something negative. I just came up with an example off the top of my head, but it could be other things. You never know. After Instagram announced a new initiative meant to nudge teen users away from harmful content last year, the platform says it's finally rolling out the feature in the US, UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. By the way, I think some might be a little worried about this, saying, well, who is Instagram to tell me? Some people could be saying, so Instagram is my parent now?
Yeah.
Instagram knows the right way? Oh, you know what else Instagram knows? What to sell me.
Oh, and they know that pretty
How to
well,
charge
actually.
for an ad.
Yeah.
This is much healthier for you.
Right. It's not very fair.
It's a fine line for them to be in control with them having the keys to the car. Instagram says the feature is designed to encourage teens to discover something new and exclude certain topics that may be associated with appearance comparison. It's kind of in the same neighborhood as what I was saying.
Right.
As shown in an image of the feature, users will receive a notification that prompts them to choose what to explore next with a variety of posts they can choose from instead. So it tries to get you into other topics. And it's a gentle nudge that they did, but you know, Will, they have to select what those other contents are, and they could nudge things that they want to nudge for a variety of reasons, including commerce. Mo, go ahead.
I mean, I'm a big fan of Instagram selling me stuff. So I might not be the right guy. Because I look forward to Instagram ads. They're so good. They're way more fun than most of the posts that get fed on
I agree.
in my feed.
We want to make sure people feel good about the time that they spend on Instagram. This is a way to softly encourage that. Adam Mosseri, the head of Instagram, said in an interview with CBS Mornings, no matter what topic you're going deep into, if you're going particularly deep, we will let you know and suggest some other topics.